Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're ready for the ultimate lifestyle upgrade and get treated like royalty every time you walk into the bathroom, you are going to love the smart toilet with bidet from Alpha Bidet. I love that this toilet greets me with the equivalent of a smile every time I walk in to use it because it automatically opens the lid for me when it senses my presence. Even though the seat opens automatically for you, there's also a foot sensor. So you can use that to open the lid, open the seat, close the lid. And what's also awesome is a few seconds after you walk away from the toilet or get up from it, it's gonna automatically flush for you. So as you can see from the remote, you can change the pressure of the water, the temperature of the water, the position of the nozzle on the bidet. So these features give you the ultimate solution for keeping clean. And this seat stays so warm, it is the perfect throne. You may never want to get off of it. But also the temperature on that is adjustable. This is also ADA compliant. So the bidet is going to get you very clean and then you can dry yourself off. I mean, how amazing is that? This has a really strong flush on it and it cleans the bowl so well. You're going to be super happy with that. This comes with everything that you need to install it, including a new seal and an adapter to go into your water supply valve. This also comes with the option to have battery power that will keep it flushing in case your power goes completely out. We got the UXT Pearl model of this toilet, and it is like the primo, cream of the crop, smart bidet toilet that you can get. Just with this simple upgrade to the bathroom with this smart toilet from Alpha Bidet, you're gonna feel like the royalty you were always meant to be. We really love it. We think that you will too. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.